Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Laratips. Today is the third episode of VSCode tips and tricks, where I bring the small tips and tricks regarding VSCode. So today in this video, we will be looking at how we can create folders and files at the same time. If you see here guys, here it's a JS folder here. Now let's say inside this folder, we want to create a front-end folder, and inside that front-end folder, we want to create index.js. So let's see how we can do it in a normal way. So first of all, we'll create a folder named frontend. Now inside that frontend folder, we'll create a file by clicking on this icon, and it will be index.js. So guys, in this way, we can create a folder and a file. Now I'll show you how we can create both the folder and file at the same time. So let me delete this. Now let me click on this JS folder. I want to create it inside this JS folder. So I'll click on it, and now I'll click on this file icon, not on the folder. Okay. So if I click on here, now I'll say here frontend and / index.js. Now it will create a folder named frontend, and inside that it will create index.js. Now if I hit enter, now you can see here guys, it has created a folder and a file at once. We don't have to click on both of these icons and create them separately. And you can go as many deep as you can. Let's say you can say frontend / login form / index.js. Then it will create two folders, frontend and login form, and inside that it will create index.js. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.